If you use an iPhone, Apple Watch, or a Mac, you need to tackle an important task right away.
We did it already. Simply Money's Amy Wagner is here with a warning about a huge security concern with all of those devices.
If you have an iPhone, an Apple Watch, or a Mac, you need to download the newest software update right away. Otherwise, your device could be hijacked by a hacker. The latest iOS update that just launched, iOS 10.1, protects you from a nasty security threat called the Core Graphics bug. Without that patch, hackers can create a JPEG file that displays on your device as a simple photo. But inside that harmless-looking photo is a memory bug that then runs code on your device and allows them to take it over. And if they've got your phone, watch, or computer, they've got the keys to your accounts and other sensitive personal information.
They can literally do anything they want. They could wipe your phone, they can steal data off the phone, again, install malicious software.
The Simply Money point here, you just have too much at stake to not protect all of your devices. Downloading the security patch won't take long, but it could make a big difference in protecting your information. For Fox 19 Now and Simply Money, I'm Amy Wagner.